The moment you earn money once online, either as you're working remotely or from content creation or selling digital products or affiliate marketing, that's a good energy boost for you to keep on doing more. This is a challenge to you right now. I would say let's stay focused for 6 months. You want to enter? Okay, come and enter now. Come, you see, come closer. Come now. Come. You want me to send it to you too? I can send it to you. Yeah, come. I'm making a video. Okay, you want to send it to No, you too. Yeah, move forward. Look at the camera. Go straight. Go now. I want you to so your face will show. Come. Let me carry you so that they will see you. Doo-doo. Say bye bye.
Say bye bye.
I carry you too. Doo-doo. Say bye bye. Oh my God, you're heavy. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So that's the beauty you get when you film outdoor. So my goal for these 6 months is to make money. And please do well to watch all my videos we have talked about consistency, skills you can learn, and things you can do to make money online or to make money just to change your financial space, your financial capacity. So do well to watch those videos. Currently, I'm out of breath, but I'm still excited that I came all out here to film this process. And one thing I have learned about the online space is that when you've not benefited from the online resources of getting money online, you might not understand how this works. The moment you earn money once online, either as you're working remotely or from content creation or selling digital products or affiliate marketing, that's a good energy boost for you to keep on doing more. So if right now you still don't know what to do online or you still don't know how to position yourself online, please do well to stick to this channel. I'll be bringing you jobs. I'll bring you skills you can learn to get monetized online. And one beautiful thing about earning in this global space is that the sky is broad, the sky is big, and everybody can earn. One thing I want you to do is that just sit down, collate your skills right now that you have, or things that you feel if I push this thing out, I'm going to get monetized or I'm going to get money from this. It can be that you have a skill, or currently you can look for a remote job, or any job that will give you financial freedom, that will give you the flexibility, because the way the world is going global. And I would love job that still gives me my freedom no matter the space and no matter the time. So this is a challenge to you right now. I would say let's stay focused for 6 months and let's see what 6 months can give to us. Shut out the noise and focus. We have a goal, right? We are in this together. Yes. So let me be your accountability partner. You also can be my accountability partner, because to I will absolutely be coming online to share my progress. So whether it's you want to learn a language or whatever you want to do that has to do with you getting better daily, even if it's financially, health-wise, please do it. Please do it. And document your journey. Ensure you reward yourself. Ensure, even if you feel you can't do this, look at people that are currently doing this and still go with the flow. Right. Thank you so much. This video is not wasn't planned. I was about filming something else when those kids just ran in, and I saw it. I still the beauty of you living life to the fullest. Right. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to learn French in 3 months, please do well to use the link in the description box. I also have links to a template that can help you make money online. Yeah. So please do well to use the description box below your own advantage. Thank you so much for watching this video.